Hey, it's Beth again. It is a Tuesday night at 11:30. So obviously you can tell what I'm doing. I'm up and absolutely bored out of my mind. So I said, hey, let's make another video. You know, I'm sure a million other people do the same exact thing when they're bored. So I've been trying to get into this habit of going to bed early. Because I start school in 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, and I gotta get in this habit of waking up early because twice a week I have piano at 8 in the morning. Not too thrilled about that either because when I wake up in the morning I don't want to play piano for an hour at 8 o'clock. And mind you, not like easy beginner piano. I'm on my second year now with a much harder teacher, so not excited about that at all. And then I have a 2-hour break after it. So, Starbucks, here I come. So I've been talking to my friend, Ray, from work, trying to get his input on how to work this whole webcam thing. So, sorry. Allergies are really bad these days now. I'm so it seems like not a lot of people have webcam. Sorry, I feel there's another sneeze coming along. So I'm just trying not to you know, like spit all over the lens of my camera. Anyways, like I said, I'm actually watching, I was watching Law & Order, SVU, great show, it's definitely my favorite, and then it went off, so I know another episode comes on in about 15 minutes, or the Olympics will be on, because out of every channel in the world, they decided to have it on USA. How about that? I know, it fits, right? USA Network. But still, you know, people like me still want to watch, like, Law & Order. They got some good shows on USA, by the way. You know, they got Law & Order, and then they got the SVU, the regular one, the CI, yeah. They got Monk. My mom's a big fan of Monk. They got Psych. They got the, In Plain Sight. Burn Notice. Whew. Jeffrey Donovan is smoking hot in that. And, yeah, he's definitely a hottie. So, yeah, nothing else is, occupying me, obviously, at the moment. So, I probably could go on and on about my night, but good old YouTube only lets me do 10 minutes or less, so I don't want to ruin this video, because I bet you it's freaking awesome. So, I probably will make another video in the morning, maybe not. I'm going to try to get to bed so I can get in my, sleep schedule. It's just going to be hard. So, yeah, have a good night.